After updating the iPhone with the new iOS, many users complain about keep disconnecting issues with iPhone. If you're Android, wireless speaker, gaming console, and many more, to solve your keep Bluetooth device disconnecting issues, follow only 3 processes. First process, turn on the Bluetooth sharing feature on your iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Scroll down, tap Bluetooth Sharing, choose Allow Changes. Second process, reset the wireless device. Most wireless comes with a setup button. Now press and hold the button for 15 sec. After this, check your issues. If you still have issues, check the third solution. Forget the device and reconnect the device. Open Setting, tap Bluetooth, tap the icon of your connected device, scroll down here, tap Forget Device. Now just reconnect your device. After doing these 3 works, your problem will be solved. If you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.